Emergency alert. While you're watching this, 87,000 euros in Bitcoin was just minted for someone else. What if I told you those profits could be yours and no trading skills, no time commitment? Not even waking up. That's right, while you sleep. I'm your name, and in the next 7 minutes, I'll expose how your loose change is secretly funding strangers' crypto empires while you get nothing. The game changer. A system so simple a 10-year-old uses it, yet so powerful it could pocket you 12,000 euros this year. If you're ready to turn everyday spending into crypto wealth, don't look away now. Open your bank app right now. See those microtransactions, 3.50 euros for coffee, 12.90 euros for lunch, 45.30 euros for gas, pennies evaporating daily. Meanwhile, Bitcoin surged 150% this year, Ethereum 210%, but you're missing out. Why? Because you've been sold 3 lies. You need thousands to start. You must study charts 24/7. It's gambling with your life savings. Well, buckle up. Those myths end today. The revolution. Autopilot crypto stacking. Imagine this magic. Every card payment rounds up and converts spare change into crypto. Real example, your 3.50 euros coffee becomes 4 euros. The 50 cents difference auto buys Bitcoin. 45.30 euros gas becomes 46 euros. Zero gives 70 cents pumps Ethereum result. Your money works. The 24th of July 365 while you live life. It's like hiring a personal crypto butler for €0. And the kicker, you start with just €1. Execution time. Follow this battle plan. Step 1. Download Bitstack, link in description. -30 second. Install. Step 2. Connect any debit card. Bank level encryption. Step 3. Flip the crypto roundup switch. Gives 3 taps. Step 4. Choose your wealth accelerator. Safe mode, 70% Bitcoin, 30% Ethereum. Growth mode, 50% Bitcoin, over 30% Ethereum, over 20% blue chip alts. Step 5. Set your monthly cap. Start at 50 euros. To test Pro Secret, enable Crash Boost. It triples buys when markets dip 5% plus for instant discounts. Now the truth test. Does this actually pay? Verified results. David 35 euros a month. Automated gives 1,100 euros. Portfolio plus 217% in bull run. Lena 28, 420 euros. Total deposits gives 780 euros today. 18 months. Hard data. Average users earn 200 euros per year on autopilot, and if you found even one golden nugget so far, take 2 seconds and hit that subscribe button, because the next strategy might multiply your gains even faster. But here's the fireworks. With the 2025 crypto tsunami coming, your 50 euros a month could become 15,000 euros by 2027. Math doesn't lie. 50 euros times 20 for months equals 1,200 euros invested times 10x bull multiplier equals 12 euros. Zero life changer. Don't just watch others grow rich from your timeline. To join the movement and comment I'm in if you've already activated roundups. I want to see how many of us are building this together. I hear your doubts. Is my crypto safe? Gives you own the assets. Bitstack uses Bitpanda licensed. What if crypto crashes? Gives. That's the beauty. Regular buys lower your average cost. TC strategy. Hidden fees. Gives 1% transaction fee, but use code crypto700 for 6 months free. Time required. Gives 5-minute setup. Then absolute zero. Your money grinds while you binge Netflix. Operation Wealth Takeover starts now. Smash that link in description. First 500 get priority access. Deploy code crypto700 for 6 months. Fee freedom. Activate roundups before your next coffee run. And if you're serious about escaping the paycheck cycle, subscribing now is your first smart move, because we're not done. And you don't want to miss what's next. The crypto rocket is launching. Will you be on board? I'm rooting for you in the command center.